Nature's Mimicry. Just picked up the third batch of the year. Got 65 brand new chicks, just hatched this morning. Yeah, that's about it.
A little drink. A little.
Smaller than the last one.
Oh.
We'll see.
Right.
Sorry,
Hey y'all, this is Sharon. I hope you're having a great day. I'm taking over for Charles because he had to go to work, and my lovely daughter-in-law is at work also, Sam. And I'm putting all these little baby chicks into the warm brooder box and giving them a little drink. We lay down newspaper and throw some feed down on the newspaper so it's easily accessible to the newborn chicks. You give them a drink so they can find their water. So yeah, if you enjoy this kind of content, I hope you consider subscribing and liking the video, and I hope you have a great day. Bye. Thanks for watching.
but maybe lead them to a way to find their own journey.